Okay, another Cool Garage mini video for this Labor Day 2025. Just a household project that gets in the way. We have a towel rack here. This side you can see is pretty solid. This side, not so much. And it keeps coming off. So let me just disassemble this for a moment. Pull these guys out. I'm just going to get these out of the way. Now, if you look inside here, you can see there's a little lip on here, and then there's a set screw. The top lip hook goes on this, the set screw goes on this. The problem is, it's been doing this for a while, and I put a larger set screw in, but I believe what's happening is the set screw, instead of coming in behind this, is coming on the outside and thus not grabbing it. So my solution is, I'm going to remove this. And I'm going to bring it to the vise, and I'm just going to take like a long nose or something and just bend this out a little bit so this screw can grab. Then I can probably put a smaller set screw in even, so it doesn't have to be this size. Just for FYI, this is a 5/64 set screw. So let's just pop this out. Boy, these are long. Okay, and just an FYI, you won't notice it on the camera, but there is an up arrow on here, so there is a specific way these get mounted. Now, I'm going to bring these to my vise. I'm not going to film that. I'm just going to put it in there. I'm going to bend this. If there's anything unusual that happens, I will let you know. Next time you see me, I'll be back here and we'll be bolting it in to test it. Okay, this is the piece I modified. If you can see, it's got a profile bent around the sides, but this portion here is flat, the back is flat. What I did is I put the back side against the vise. I took a small diameter socket that would fit inside here, put it here, and put the vise on that side. If I just put it in the vise normally, it would just crush these other sides, so I locked it. Then I took a long nose plier, put it on the end here, and just bent it down a little bit. This way the set screw can come up behind here, push down and tighten itself in there. What was happening before is the set screw was just coming up on this side because this piece was just too flat. Now it has a divot in there. That should be enough to make it work. Let's see if it does. All right, now we're going to mount this back on the wall with these long screws. It does say the word up and have an arrow pointing up on there, so we will follow that. It's important to have this larger bend on the top for that hook to grab into, so the set screw can grab onto the bottom. I'm using this to make it easier and faster, but I'm not driving it in and smoking those things. All right. Now for this part. Again, set screw at the bottom. These guys slip in here. Slip in here. And they're going to slip in these two. Hook this onto the top. Whoop, get those back in there. Come on. Lay it down flat. Now, take our 5/64 and see if we can't get this to go in there. Trying to. Okay, it's tight. Feel it tightening down. And now this thing is solid. And that's it. We've just fixed this thing with that easy 1, 2, 3 fix. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this second quick tip on this Labor Day 2025. You guys take care, and enjoy the holiday, what's left of it, and stay safe. Bye-bye.